I just got home from work and I said I'm not allowing myself to get in that kitchen and cook anything until I get this bag packed, because I've been putting it off. And Haley's gonna call any day now and say my water just broke and I'm not gonna have my bag packed. We're doing it tonight. Y'all wanna do it with me? And then we'll go in there and cook something. I'm gonna cook that ravioli thing tonight. Some of this laundry just needs to be done because I washed up everything from where I was gone to the lake over the weekend. Okay, his little friend just pulled up. He's having a friend stay the night. We're going to go do something fun tomorrow. A lot of you was asking about this cover up that I had when I posted that picture of me camping over the weekend. This came from SandCloud. And it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a towel. It's like wearing a towel, and it's long. It covers. I'm real modest. In fact, last night on that video where we were doing the rock, paper, scissors challenge with the fast food, somebody said, do you ever wear a different kind of pants? Like you always have the same pair of pants on, but it's not the same pair of pants. I promise. I just got in from work. I dress like this to work every day. These pants are like yoga pants. They are like very stretchy. It feels like I'm wearing yoga pants to work, but because they flare at the bottom and they're like, you're not gonna be able to tell on camera, but they are ribbed. They don't look like yoga pants. But that's why I like them. But I have like so many pairs of them. But I don't really have that many shorts. Maybe I'm too modest. I don't know. Or maybe it's just because I don't wear shorts that often. But when I wear shorts, especially like in public, I feel naked. I don't like it at all. Like I always wear pants or leggings. These are ties. And these are like capri, like short ties. And it's not like anytime I see somebody else in a pair of shorts, I'm judging them and thinking that they look naked, because they don't. Everybody's cute with all their little shorts on, and I'm sure I would be too, but I don't like it. You're just gonna have to put up with my black pants, y'all. Y'all don't see me in my tights and my t-shirts too much, and sometimes I wear jeans. Y'all see me in these work pants. Okay, let's find our MeMaw shirts. I know this is one. We gotta pack all the MeMaw shirts. Hannah wants us to wear this one in the hospital because she's got one that says Sassy MeMaw. A lot of my t-shirts come from my friend Maria. Her page on Facebook is Sun Chasers Gear, maybe LLC. I'll try to put it down below. Here's my other MeMaw shirt. Now she can make y'all a shirt that says Mom or Mama or Nana or whatever y'all like to be called, or she can make it say anything you want it to say. But this is, and I get comfort color from her, but I think she can do other brands too. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to be dressing comfortable when I go to Georgia. I'm going to do this one too. This one says Jesus is my jam, and then it's got all the jams that say, you know, like grace and hope and mercy and faith and peace. I love me some Jesus. God is so good, y'all, in so many ways. Ooh, this is a tank top. It wasn't supposed to be in my t-shirt drawer. This comes from my friend Nate's company, apparel company called Crazy Good. It's got a good Christian story behind the name too. And he's on, I think it's called Crazy Good Apparel. He's on Facebook. I'll take that one too. I'll take my mama shirt. That one's cute. Very cute. Ooh, and I can take this bow to wear with it too. This one's really soft. And I do want to take some tank tops. I don't know if I'm going to take jeans or not. Oh, I like this one. First of all, Jesus thinks I'm a delight. I'm going to be excited to not have to like dress up for a whole week. I had the best weekend, y'all. Mercy. I did not want it to end. These are just my work clothes. I got to put them up. Y'all always asking me where I get all these little shirts. I get most of them from Amazon. Once in a while, I'll get one from like Shein. I think this one came from TikTok Shop. For the most part, it's Amazon. I love that bright blue color. I've seen a lot of these shirts in my videos. This one's fairly new. I got it from Amazon. I got a folder in my storefront that says clothes, or maybe clothes and accessories or something. And I've linked a lot of it in there. Y'all want me to show you how many of these I got so you'll believe me that I'm not wearing the same pair of pants every day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But they're not all exactly the same. Like these are like capris. Maybe about 8 of them are exactly the same size and everything. And then I've got another 8 or 10 in that next size up, because I've lost a lot of weight, so I had to go back. I was so glad I didn't get rid of these two, because I would have been mad if I'd have got rid of them when I gained all that weight and then lost all the weight and had to buy them again. But I saved them because I knew I didn't want that to last. I don't know why I let myself gain that weight. And I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, why don't you get like some different colors or something like that? I do. From the waist up, I like to wear all the different colors and the jewelry and stuff, but I just like my black pants. What am I going to need in my bag other than clothes? These are those very soft PJs that Hannah got me when we did that TJ Maxx challenge last winter or fall. They're a little big on me now, but I wear them anyways because they're so comfortable. I got a whole bunch of these tights too. I already got 2 capris and a long one, 4 long tights and 2 short tights. And I'm going to take these because I'm telling you, I don't like no zipper and button, because that means it's not flexible. I like comfortable clothes. These are the Halara. There's no button, no zipper, and it's very stretchy. These are getting a little big for me, but they'll still fit. So I'll take 1 pair of jeans. Okay, just clothes in that bag. We'll have to put everything else in something else. Oh, let me show y'all something. There was this company reached out to me on Facebook Messenger the other day and asked me if I wanted to try Nature's Wild Berry. And I said, I don't know what Nature's Wild Berry is. So he sent me a link to some other videos where other people had tried it. But it is like some kind of berry that you're supposed to be able to put in your mouth, chew it up real good, swish it around in your mouth, whatever, swallow it. And then for the next 20 minutes or so, everything you eat that's sour tastes sweet. So like you could just eat a raw lemon and it would taste like candy, supposedly. I meant to get some lemons today so we could try this. Also, the sweetest little gift. This comes from Lou Ann Cates. She saw my post the other day when I had been missing Sophie, and I looked down at my ring, the past, present, future post that I made on Facebook the other day. And she asked me if she could do this, and I said yes. She got that picture printed that I posted and put it in a frame and sent it to me. Thank you so much. Also sent me a pretty towel. It says, "This is my happy place." Sent me a card too. Hi Miranda, I hope this picture always makes you smile as much as you do for all of us. Love, Luann. Stay classy, my friend. Thank you so much. Everybody's always so supportive, and it was so hard to say goodbye to Sophie. Let me show y'all her urn. I'm actually going to take you with me to show it to you. She always used to sleep either right there or under the bed. There was a dog bed under there for her. This is just a pillow, and it smelled like me because it was my pillow, and I put her blanket on it, and she liked to sleep right there. I put her little urn right there. And she's always had the Queen of Everything pictured above her while she sleeps. And that's not actually her. It came from Target a long time ago, but it looks just like her. And Sophie was real attached. It makes me feel better to put her right there, because when I sleep at night, she was always back here with me. A lot of times she was ready to come to bed before I got ready to come to bed, and she'd let me know it too. But she wouldn't come back here by herself. She was right up under me every minute of every day, and she's been with me through so much. And don't let me forget to mention Chris, sweet friend on here. She sent me some hot sauce. It's the Louisiana hot sauce, but it is garlic lovers. She wanted me to try it because she really likes it. Now, I will have to admit, Louisiana brand hot sauce has never been my favorite. I used to like that Cholula. I don't know which one it's called. And then I got to loving Williamson Brothers. Now I've gotten to where I like Texas Pete a lot. This just tastes a little different than I'm used to, but I haven't tried the garlic one, so that may make all the difference, and I cannot wait to try it. I'm gonna end up needing 2 bags because this I bought today. It's a little rattle inside of it, but it's so sweet. MeMaw's not gonna go meet Kenton without a gift. And then I have the Moments of Grace devotional book for grandmas. Somebody very special to me got this for me a long time ago. And then I got my Bible and my journal. So we can't go without our Bibles and our devotionals and our gifts for that baby. MeMaw's coming prepared, okay? Look what Caden got me when we were on the way to take him to Bible camp. This last Bible camp he went to, we went to an arcade, and he tried with that claw machine to get something, and he finally got something and handed it straight to me. He said, I got it for you. He says, sweet. I keep it on my little nightstand. I don't know, I think I done told y'all everything I was going to tell y'all for this one. I got to pack my little toiletry bag. I was going to tell y'all where I get these little bags, because I know you're going to ask. I get them from Miss Shelley. Her page is called Personality, but it's purse, like you spell purse, and then ENALITY, Personality. It's on Facebook. I think there's a link to it on my website. You can go get some cute little purses and things from her. She even has some jewelry too. Okay, I'm gonna go finish packing, and then I'm gonna get in there and probably make that ravioli thing I was telling y'all about in my grocery haul video. So stay tuned. I love you. Stay classy.